Present okay na? Past? A lot of disturbances and ఏంద్ర ఇది మౌస్ కదలట్లా బాబు. ఇది లేకుండానే బెటర్గా ఉన్నట్టుంది. ప్రస్తుతానికంటే ఓకే అంటలే కానీ చూద్దాం. వెళ్ళలే ఇంకా. So last explanation about child selector. Child selector we can also called as a descend selector or descended selector. Group selector over and universal selector over, two selectors. So example also completed a child selector. Completed kada? Huh? No na. Completed nada? Yes sir and see the example on child selector. Spelling mistakes observe sir carefully. A keyboard very first time I am using. Fingering not comes properly. So here I am creating first a label tag. This is a label tag selector, and color is red color. We are going to implementing red color. But now what is the meaning of this one, sir? In this page, if anywhere the label tag is available, that all comes with the red color. Where it is available, sir, it's not necessary. It's available on the page, red color is comes automatically because of tag selector. So this one we have to convert into child selector. First design tag selector, see this. So label, enter the first name. So label last name. Next division tag. Division tag inside I'm using the labels. So one is email ID. Line break. Next label password. Label close. Next one division close and paragraph tag. Paragraph tag inside also I'm using some label here. Suppose confirm password or date of birth, whatever it may be. Only labels it, not designing any screen. So label close and paragraph tag is closed. But total on my web page, I have 5 labels. Total 5 labels are available. But 5 labels to different places available. 2 labels in the open area, in the sense body inside available. 2 labels inside the division tag available, and 1 label inside the paragraph tag is available within the paragraph tag. So now, as per our coding, we design the tag selector. But what happens are, all these 5 labels are comes with red color. All 5 labels are in red color. It's working properly. But now my requirement is 5 labels I don't want in red color, sir. Which labels are? Email ID, password only I want to display as a red color. Rest of things I don't need. So where is the email ID and password, sir? Inside the division tag. So here the division tag is parent tag and label is the child tag. Our division is the main tag and label is the sub tag. So write the child selector here. Now what happens, sir? Out of 5 labels, only 2 labels are affected. Out of 5 labels, only 2 labels are affected. Correct output. My expectation, output both same matching. So observe now carefully. Got a division tag available, label tag available, color red applied. But which tag is affected, sir? Label tag affected or division tag is affected, sir? Only label tag only affected. Division tag is not affected. Division is only for significance, only specification purpose only. When I am playing as a child of the division tag, then apply the styles. Otherwise, don't apply any styles. So balance 3. The date of birth also child only, sir. Date of birth also child, but not child of division, child of paragraph. This label also child tag or not? To whom? Paragraph tag. Huh? Ooh. This is child selected designing. Next, if you are interested, you can go for some more child selectors. There is no problem, sir. But a paragraph inside labels, I want to get something different style, sir. 100% you can write here label. Both labels say, but 2 labels comes with the 2 different appearances. Because one label is child of Satyamurthy, one label is child of Krishnamurthy. So son of Satyamurthy, son of Krishnamurthy. Satyamurthy dressing style different, Krishnamurthy son of dressing style is different. Simple formula. So here I am going to applying some color equals to blue. Now see the output of this. 2 labels in black color only, 2 labels in red color and 1 label is in blue color. Why, sir? Observe the parent name, you will get to answer easily. Next, the actually child selector, but it is also impacted to grandchild also. Yesterday I already said. This tag is playing as a child role of division or grandchild role or any other roles. So the tag impacted is available. The browser, what it is seeing here, sir, label is the family member of division tag, not a checking. Child, daughter, grandchild, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, not required. Are you the member of that family? Yes, apply the styles. How can I identify that one, sir? Take the one more label inside the division tag. Before the label, some other tag is required. Because if you take the another label, sir, but email ID, passwords difference is not available. So take any other table, whatever it may be. Say one table, one tag. Paragraph, you will get the confusion again. Instead, because already we have bottom one paragraph, kada. So other than paragraph division tag, use any other tag. No problem. Which tag? Huh? H1. Okay, H3 tag, label, confirm password. But what is the relation between the H3 and the label tag? H3 and the label tag relation. Parent and child. H3 and the division tag. Parent and child. Division and the label. Grandparent and grandchild. But now my style is applying or not, sir? Applying. But you said child only, sir. That is, I said child, grandchild, any other child, it is applicable, no problem. So this tag is also impacted. But we don't have the direct relation between the label and division tag. But why it is affecting, sir? Within the same family. You go see this. Within the same family it is available. Then only it is affecting. Family member, it's okay. Applying the styles. So this is the operation of the child concept. Tag selector applying the styles for parents, grandparents, childs, grandmas, four grandmas, four grandparents, all tag selector. But that number of tags I don't want to impact, sir. The particular location tags only I want to apply the style, sir. That scenario it is going to be useful for us. The next one is direct child. One more tag selector, direct child. Just now you completed, sir. That is child, sir. That is direct child. Previously what we discussed is a descendant selector. Now I am going to applying as a direct descendant selector or direct child selector. Normal child selector to direct child selector, only 1 point difference. 90% same explanation, same syntax, same meanings. Only 1 point difference. What is that, sir? Direct child scenario, if you are the direct child of the tag, then only it is applying the styles. Indirect child, family members, grandson-in-law, grand something, it's not affecting. But what is missing, sir? A confirm password is there, na? That one not affected. Confirm password is not affected. Rest of all the things are going to affecting. Or what about the syntax, sir? Same syntax, sir, just a greater than symbol is comes. The direct child. Greater than symbol. Direct child. Only space, child. Only space, child. Greater than symbol is available, direct child. So what is meaning of this, sir? Observe the name, direct child. And a label to division, direct contact available, then it is going to applying the style. If direct contact is not available, it's not going to affecting. But previous one, direct contact plus indirect contact, in all scenarios it is affected. But almost same outputs are one line difference is comes. Which lines are? Confirm password. Why confirm password is not affected, sir? It's an indirect child of the division tag, or it's a grandchild of the division tag. But we design direct child. That's why it's not affected. There's some filters applying on a range we reduce now. Previously it is applying this much of range. After this it is applying to some scope reducing. A programming terminology, reducing the scope of variables, reducing the scope of selectors. Known as scope. Scope. Telescope. Cinema scope. Okay. But direct child to child difference got it together. Difference between the child selector and direct child selector. Now, what about that third one, sir? Third one, if you want to apply the styles, you have to write another child. Another child, and you should be write like this: division greater than H3 greater than label. Sequence compulsory anamata. Division greater than H3 greater than label. The same sequence if you follow, then only styles are applying, sir. A sequence changed or any alterations done, styles not applying. But previous child selector, little bit changes available also it is affecting. But it is strictly following the sequence. Sequence and order. And the next one is attribute selector. One more is attribute selector. So what is this attribute selector, sir? Defining the selectors based on the attributes names. Previous all explanations, maximum tag name is impacting. In child selectors, tag name a primary component, sir. In direct child selector also tag name only primary component. Yesterday's group selector is also tag name only primary component. Based on the tags only, almost browser is going to apply. So so many models we design. Now we are going to designing the attributes based. Tag inside attributes available. Based on that attributes, I want to apply the styles, sir. Based on the attributes, I want to apply the styles. For that, attribute selector is available. Tag name is not important, sir. Attribute name is the important. Width, height, SRC, ID, class, source, href. What is all are attributes? These important here. If attribute name matching, your style is going to apply. Attribute name matching, not matching, sir. Style not applying. Tag name matching, sir. I don't want. Attribute should be matched. So defining the common styles for the group of tags based on the attribute. Defining common styles for group of tags for based on the attribute. So how to define the syntax, sir? Attributes, sir, comes with the angle brackets. Attribute, angle bracket, and property colon value. Now, how many properties you want to list out, that is your choice. How many properties you want to list out, that is your choice. Angle bracket inside what we have, sir? Attribute is available. Angle bracket inside we have attribute. Whenever this attribute name is matching to your tag, whenever this attribute name is matching to your tag, these properties are going to apply. But I can observe, sir, there is no tag representation, only attribute name only available. Next one. Put this one for H1 tag, H2 tag, paragraph tag. This is attribute selector for H1, H2, paragraph, input tag. Input tag. Button tag. Not for those. What about you, Oma? A small example, live situation అన్నమాట. Half an hour back happened in previous batch. Huh? మళ్ళీ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా.
Recording stopped.
2 o'clock కదా, the odd timing. I'm explaining here, all are observed. One question I asked, no proper response. Regular explanation, not intentionally. If there's something option I want to show it, for that basic information I asked, previous explanation. There is no proper response from those. Seeing. A topic completed. Next topic also completed within 5 days. 5 minutes. Next topic. Completed. Last 10 minutes, one topic completed. Without missing any point, all I explained. The same topic, same example, in your batch, we discussed almost 45 minutes. That explanation. That 5 minutes I completed today. All points I covered. 5 minutes complete. 6 minutes exactly completed. Same explanation for you, I given 45 minutes. Order list concept. Points displaying, numbers changing, etc. Almost 45 minutes we discussed that one. అక్కడ 6 minutes completed అది. Right? ఇప్పుడు 6 minutes completed, 3 minutes also complete కదా, possible కదా. I can finish in 3 minutes also. 45 minutes explanation, 6 minutes I finished. Single point also not missed. All options I shown. Type equals to Roman number, type equals to alphabet, type equals to number, start with reversing, all options I explained. And how much fastly we discuss, we can observe. But why I'm saying to you this one, it's not happened to you, Gada. Why I'm saying this example to you? అర్థం కాలేదా? Why I said to you this example?
Recording in progress.
వాళ్ళకి అట్లీస్ట్ వాళ్ళకి 6 minutes I spent. For you 6 minutes also not necessary. 2 to 3 minutes enough. Your old students కదా, అది న్యూ బ్యాచ్. ఇంకా న్యూ బ్యాచ్ ర్యాపో నాట్ హ్యాపెండ్. ఇంకా మోర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ నో. ఆల్రెడీ 1 month వీ హ్యావ్ ఫుల్ ఇంటరాక్షన్, కోఆపరేషన్. ఫర్ యూ అయితే 3 minutes ఎనఫ్. స్టిల్ పాయింట్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఏమర్థమైంది? వాట్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? So if you also sit silently like this without responses, 10 minutes explanation, 2 minutes completing. Half an hour explanation, 5 minutes completing annamata. Time also saving matter అది. ఇప్పుడు అద్దె ఎక్కింద బుర్రకి నవ్వు సమజ్గా. సో ఇప్పుడు వాట్ టు డూ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, అది బెటర్ హెల్దీ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. What is the question I asked here? This belongs to which tag? That is I asked, right? What is answer? For any tag, because in this line we don't have the tag representation, only attribute is available. So tag is applicable for the anything. Global ఏం గ్లోబల్? ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సిఎస్ఎస్. External CSS, why it will comes answer, sir? ఇక్కడ గ్లోబల్ స్పెసిఫిక్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ as a concept not available. as HTML already completed subject. Oh, 650 na batch completed ga. So the tag specifications not available, so it's applicable automatically for all tags. It is automatically applicable for all tags. Next, the same thing, one more syntax we have, attribute equals to value also available. There's some more filtering. Now when you write like this, sir, maximum it is applying. So I'm going to shortlisting and I'm filtering some more also, that is this one. Attribute equals to value. But what is meaning, sir? Attribute plus value both are matching, then only it is applying. Previously just attribute matching applying, value not important, tag is not important. Now along with the attribute, value also should be match. But compared to previously, this is affecting more tags or less tags? The second syntax affecting more number of tags or less number of tags? Sure? Okay. Safe zone. No eliminations. Yeah. Next one. And here also we don't have any tag impact. Attribute value impact available, but tag impact is not available anything. So for this we are going to applying the tag name also here. Now one more filtering, additional filtering. Now what is the meaning, sir? Tag name plus attribute name plus value, if all are matching, then only styles are going to apply. Tag name plus attribute name plus value. If all these three are matching, then only the effects are applying. Tag name matching, attribute not matching. Attribute matching, tag name is not matching. Or some matching, some not matching. Finally rejected. If three items are matching, then only your styles are going to apply. And compared to second one, this one reducing scope more, reducing more affecting. So first one fully affected, second one medium level, and last one is very less number of tags only affected, because three conditions should be matched. Name of the tag should be matched, attribute name should be matched, and value is also should be matched. If 300% matching, then only styles are going to apply. If anyone is mismatching, style is not going to apply. In attribute selector, different syntax is this. Now see the example. So width, curly bracket, color is red, close curly bracket. If any tag designed with the width attribute, any tag designed with width attribute, then apply the style red. What is the value of width, sir? There is no restrictions for the value of the width. It's always is going to implementing here. Now see this one. H1 width equals to 400 pixels and a hello world. Okay. Apples H1 is close. But now this tag is if affecting us, sir. 100% affecting. Why, sir? Width matching. It is matching of the width. Tag name not matching, sir. I'm not given any tag instruction. I'm not given value instruction also. Only width matching, then automatically style is going to apply. Next one, H1 height equals to 300 pixels and mangoes. H1 is close. This is also, sorry. This is also affecting. Width. Width value is not same, sir. Here I'm not given any instruction related to value. There is no suggestion or restriction related to value. Next, I'm going to using some paragraph tags, sir. Here also width equals to some 200 pixels or 600 pixels. So take something paragraph. now run this. So different tags, observe that one, different tags, but in all tags one common point is width. Values also different, tag names also different, but common point is the width. So as per the common point, it is going to applying that one. Next one, width equals to value also I'm going to applying. Continuation, width, again width no, we'll go for height. Of course, again width also working, but better understandable, I'm changing the attribute for your safety only. Height equals to some 100 pixels. Open and write the style, color blue. Height equals to 100 pixels and color equals to blue. So it is applying the style blue color. When it is applying the blue color style, sir, whenever your tag's height equals to 100, your tag height equals to 100, blue color is going to apply. So H1 height equals to 100 pixels and write something. And this is H2 height equals to 150 or 50 pixels and H2 is close. Next again H3 height equals to 100 pixels, apple. So total 3 tags. In 3 tags common point height, but 3 tags common value not available. Height available in 3 tags, but height equals to 100 matching to only 2 tags. So the 2 tags only affected. Vivo is not applying the style because attribute name matching, but value is not matching. Height matching, but 100 here, but there 60 is available. So it is not applicable. First one to second one difference is this one. In first scenario, if value is different also it is applied. But second scenario, value is difference available, it's not going to apply. The basic working and testing the functionality, sir. But what is the use, sir? Height wise, width wise writing, sir. One live situation I am going to showing here. I want to apply some special styles to my text box. I want to apply some special styles to my text box. So many text boxes available. The text box, one common style I want to maintain. But how to create the text boxes or text fields? Huh? Okay, no problem. Take it easy. So the attribute selector. Next selectors is pseudo selectors. So pseudo selectors is specialization what, sir? It's a predefined selector, sir. Up to the last one, we designed our own selectors. Tag, ID, that everything is designed by us only. Names also given by us only. But pseudo selectors, one special thing is predefined classes. CSS providing the so many predefined classes. Those classes are called as the pseudo selectors. And how can recognize it? Is it pseudo selector or not, sir? By using the colon symbol. The name before colon symbol available. Best example, hover. First child, last child, nth child. We already discussed this in HTML examples. However, I used a couple of examples, sir. In one scenario, nth child, first child, last child also, I touched those things in some of the example of HTML. All those are the pseudo selectors only. Like that, some more is available, colon link available, colon focus available, colon visited available, colon active available, colon symbol available in front of your name, or as a colon is a prefix, compulsory it becomes as a pseudo selector, identification symbol, and these all are the predefined. All these are the predefined selectors. The selector name already ready, name of the selector, curly brackets also ready. The selector, when you want to apply, what are the styles you are expecting? A styles only we have to mention. Name of the selector ready. But H over, it's not my own name or it's not my personal name. It's a predefined. H over is ready to apply on the tags. While applying of that one, which styles you are expecting, a styles you have to inform here. Like that colon link, like that colon focus, like that colon blur, like that colon visited, like that colon active, like that colon nth child, like that colon last child, like that colon first child. Some of the pseudo classes and pseudo selectors of the his CSS. All these are the predefined names, are situations they knows where we have to apply. When we have to apply also they knows. But what they want to apply they doesn't knows. Timing they knows and how to apply also they knows, sir. But which settings they want to apply they doesn't knows. Settings we are providing to these. The settings we are providing within these curly brackets. The colors are background colors are something. Browser they knows how to apply the styles. Browser they knows very clearly where to apply the styles. But browser doesn't knows what they want to apply. Which settings we are going to providing here. H over I am going to showing, sir. H over we use it in tables concept to anchor tags concepts also we use it. Submit button case also I used H over. Like that 3-4 times I used H over. In our demo project also H over I implemented. A colorful button we designed. Again waste. First child, nth child I am showing here. So colon first hyphen child. Apply the settings on the first child tag of my tag. I have number of kids in that first child only should be affected. So how this one, sir? Parent tag, child tags, so many cases we discussed, sir. Throughout HTML, all are the parent child. Some are the official parent childs, some are the unofficial parent child. But LI is the child of the OL tag. TR is the child of the table tag. Yesterday also same information I given. Same information yesterday also we discussed already. So my tag contains n number of childs. But in that n number of childs, first child I want to apply the CSS style, sir, not other childs. So we can write like this. But whose first child, sir? The clarity not available. So in entire the village, how many families available? In that families, all first kid available. Every first kid is affecting from every home because filtering or restrictions are not available. Colon before. So in the city or in that home village, how many families available? In that all families, the first child, this style settings are going to apply. A boy, a girl, or whatever it may be. No, sir, mother, that much or too much I don't want, sir. You can write some H1. First H1 tag only it is affecting this one. First H1 tag and moreover when they should be play as a child role. Otherwise, sir, we can write some tag name here, or you can write ID name here, or you can write class name here, or you can write the group name here, or you can write the child name, direct child name, or attribute. Anything we can write. to whom you want to apply this style, the corresponding tag related information required. That information we can provide directly by using the tag name, or we can also map your ID selector also. That ID selector is mapped to so and so select tags together. In that tags, the first child is getting affected. Next, class selector, group selector, current discussion, child, direct child, and attributes. Any of that we can write it. If you are not mentioned, universal it will takes. But by default, it is available here. All first childs. All first childs. The H1, again H1 only. Couple of childs required. Three H1, orange, apple, mango. But these three H1s are the childs of so three H1s to three H2s are available. The three H1s are the child of the body tag. Indirectly, those are the childs of body tag because you are writing inside the body tag only. That's unofficial, sir. Unofficial, official, child is child only. But now when I'm writing the first child of here, color equals to red, sir. You will get the impact like this. We don't have any more tags, sir. Available a total 4 tags and that one body and 3 H1s. And that first H1 is affected. But working perfectly, sir. Working perfectly. But if you add the more tags, then we'll get the difference. So that's why here mention clearly the tag name also. So for better understandability, body tag I'm not using, sir. Division tag I'm using. But now these 3 H1 tags are the childs of division tag. Now apply this one. Jump. Good. Expected output not comes here. So right here, div first child. Div first child. Not div, wait. H1 first child. This H1 is playing as a first child role inside any other tags, then only apply the styles. The division tag, paragraph tag, table tags, or any other tags I don't want. This H1 is playing as a first child role, then apply the styles. I'm taking one more also here, see that paragraph. Paragraph inside I'm going to taking some more H1s. H1s again. These 3 H1s are the childs of paragraph and these 3 H1s are the childs of, 3 division tag childs, 3 paragraph childs. Now impact to see that one, sir. But in paragraph family, first child not affected here. Division tags. Ramarao family, first child affected, but Krishna Rao family, first child is not affected. Reasons, sir. We are not defined any styles for that tag. We mentioned here only this one. But I need that one also, sir. But you can write the paragraph inside also that one. Paragraphs also we have to write the separate thing. When I remove this one, sir, complete changing, sir. So better write here tag specifications. Can I write go for like this, sir? Because H1 tag repeating multiple times. In that family H1 available, in this family also H1 available. That family first tag I want to affect it, this family first tag also I want to affect it. So can I go for like this, sir? The best process, sir, this one. That's the best option. But paragraphs first H1 is affected, division tags first H1 is affected. Both families first H1 is going to affecting here. Next, instead of paragraph, I'll take the another tag. LI tags, OL tags available. That I'm going to taking because here LI and OL are the subtags and child tag. The official parents and childs. Official parents and childs. So take something here. LI, OL. So comes to here. Write LI, colon, first hyphen, child. Display some settings here. So some color equals to red or blue. First point only it will comes in blue color, not all points. But if any other OL tag is available inside, again LIs are available, sir. And there also first tag is affecting again. Next, I don't want first tag, sir. I need the last tag, sir. Write the last child. Only the last kid is affecting, 3 is affected. No, sir, first. No, last, no. I want to write some position number clearly, sir. Then go for the nth child. In nth child position you have to supply like this. And directly first child is going to affecting. You want to get the effect, I think you can add some more items. This is first child is affected. I want to affect the particular fourth child, sir. Now fourth child is affected. Which number you given, that child only it's getting affected. I need alternative numbers, sir. Write the even. All even points. I need again odd, sir. So right here odd points. Previously all even points, now it is all odd points at the particular point. Otherwise the first child, otherwise the last child. So which positional tag you want to apply the styles? A position related information provide here. N plus 3, another formula. N plus 3. As first n tags are going to skipping, from third record to up to n records is going to apply. The initial 2 records is going to skipping. From fourth position onwards up to the last position. The variety format to specify the numberings here. So first child, last child, nth child with particular position, nth child with even positions, nth child with odd positions, nth child with n plus some amount position also. So from this number onwards, the records are affecting n plus 4. What are the number you mentioned here? From that position onwards, the styles are going to apply. Previous records is normally displaying. So first to last to nth. All these are the pseudo selectors, as well as previously our HO or something also like that. So every pseudo selector starts with the colon symbol. Colon before we have to write some of the tag name compulsory, or ID name, or class name, something. If you are not given this one, sir, it's impacted to the total page. A total page impacting scenarios, maybe your expectations are not reaching. You are thinking one, browser taking in the another format. Like that, anchor colon link. The link is nothing but an hyperlinks. Link is nothing but an hyperlinks. So how to display the hyperlinks are? That is, we can mention by using the colon link. How many hyperlinks available in this page? That all hyperlinks are comes with the given styles. Which style you given? That one. So color equals to blue. All hyperlinks initially displaying with the blue colors. All hyperlinks are comes with the blue color, the given color. But now one more pseudo selector I am going to implementing. A colon H over, nothing but an hover. Whenever the mouse pointer is comes onto that one, sir, I want to display the red color. So whenever the mouse pointer comes onto your anchor text, I want to display the red color. This is every anchor tag is going to displaying with the red color like this. Next one, visited links. A colon visited. Another pseudo selector. What are the links we already visited? What are the links we already opened? That links I want to display in different color. So which color or which appearance? You can choose. I want to display in magenta color. Already opened, already accessed links should be displayed in the magenta color. Blue, magenta, and this is red. Hover working, visited working, and link is also working. All links in blue. Whenever the mouse pointer comes, red color. Which link you open, that link is comes with the magenta. Next one, sir, active link. The next one is active link. Which hyperlink is currently active? That link we want to display with something. Take any of the color. Okay, green color I am taking here. Which link is active currently? That link is displaying in the green color. Where is green color, sir? If you want to see the green color, click the mouse, click the mouse button and hold it. Click and hold it. Don't release. Then the green color is comes. That is called as active link. Then only green color is displaying. The active link in that sense currently focused on this link, the meaning. So green color displaying at that time. If you click and release it, sir, green color not comes. Click and hold a few seconds. Then the green color appears. Right. So 4 colors available now. Green, red, blue and magenta. Uh, One small guideline here. When you are developing this number of, especially these 4, you should follow the same order. If you change the order, it doesn't work properly. Especially these 4. First you have to define the link, next you have to define the visited, next hover, next active. By chance order shuffled, output not comes properly. The colors overlapping, sir. The guideline you must follow, otherwise output not comes. Simple thing. Suppose I'm shuffling this order. Once observe that one. Random order. We'll see. Blue, pink. H4 jump observed. Actually we have to get the red color together. Red not coming. Here red coming, but here red is not coming. And click on that one, sir. Green also jump. And the 2 selectors jump. Not working. Reason, sir? No proper order. We are not followed the proper order. The guidelines violation anamata. But when we are observing this one, sir, normally not possible to observe. Now I highlighted that point to then. We are writing sometimes wrong order like that. Program overly executing, output it will comes. But really a perfectly working cannot observation. Generally rare scenarios it happens. So first link, next visited, next hover, next active. This is the order. And next one, pseudo selectors, some awareness I provided here. Like that, pseudo elements also available. These also predefined. Special selectors to apply the special settings for your tags. Special selectors. What is those, sir? Pseudo elements. But these are pseudo classes or pseudo selectors. Both are pseudo common, sir. Second word difference available. The class, the element. But how can recognize it, sir? Pseudo classes a single colon comes. Pseudo elements double colons comes. 2 colons comes, pseudo elements. Colon. Pseudo elements recognition, 2 colons. Single colon class. This is class or selector. And this is the element. Pseudo is the common thing. So how can recognize it is a pseudo element or not, sir? Blindly follow the colon symbols. Blindly follow the colon symbols. So now a couple of pseudo elements are available. One is before, colon before. Like that colon after is also available. And colon first letter is available. Colon first line is available. Next colon selection available. Before, after, first letter, first line and selection. Next colon placeholder is also available. Next colon marker is also available. All these are the predefined, sir. Browser, they knows when they have to apply and where they have to apply. Then only the thing is which styles they want to apply, the browser doesn't knows that one. Browser doesn't know the which selectors we have to apply. Like as your previous example, inside that we are taking the one curly bracket, writing our star selectors and closing this one. So before meaning browser knows when these before we have to apply also browser knows which styles we have to apply the browser doesn't knows the styles information we are providing inside the curly brackets. That is generally meaning. But what is the scenarios of these are? One by one we'll discuss. So colon before, that is. What are the styles we define here? Colon before, sir. Suppose uh, I want to display a small text, sir. Before is nothing but and what is meaning, sir? For every tag before, if you want to display something content, we can write here. Before the each and every tag of HTML except the head section. Except the head section, rest of all the tags, including the HTML tag and body tag also. Except the head section I am saying, and except this part. Reasons are, head section it is applied also, it's not visible to our eyes. Because head is only for settings and internal part. These are all the tags. HTML, body, every tag is impacted to this one. So before the every HTML tag, you want to make some special settings or you want to design something specially, write the settings here. So it becomes as a prefix of the your tags, sir. What you mention here, that one becomes as a prefix of your tag. Suppose I want to display some contents are here. So content equals to some @ symbol. And what happenings are now? Every HTML tag, opening tag available. A opening tag before @ symbol is going to attaching. Every tag beginning just before @ is becomes as a prefix. Now if you run this one, sir, two @ available, see this already. But we are not designed any program how the two @ are come, sir. One HTML, one body. Already HTML tag you opened. Next body tag is also opened. So as per the HTML and body tags, we'll get the two @. Prefix, postfix, no కదా meanings. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ టెర్మినాలజీస్ అనుకుంటా. కాదు 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 బయాలజీ కదా, బయాలజీగా, బోటనీయా, which subject it will comes? Which subject it will comes? Some two words I used here that related to which subject. First of words remove, listener. No. Why you are coming to classes, sir? Huh? Unnecessary my BP rising. Huh? Instead of coming to best take the rest in rooms. Otherwise you need time pass or so many parks available. Go there and sit there. Especially boys, so many candidates are there. Not listening. This candidate, a brown t-shirt. One day I'm observing, sir, left and right I'm giving. Huh? You are crying also. That much of words I'm using. Next to these two, blue shirt next to white shirt. You are thinking, sir, not observing. Everything I knows. I'm waiting, giving the chances. You are going to realizing yourself, ani. Huh? Mana buffalo tail available kada. If you wash any number of times, sir, a black continues adi color. You also same. The kids are going to saying 2-3 times, they're realizing. Next time they're not making that mistakes. Huh? Why you are coming to your brown shirt, maroon t-shirt? Minimum 15 minutes also you are not listening my explanations. 1.5 hour session running, at least 15 minutes also you are not listening my explanations. Not now, last 1 month onwards I'm observing. I'll show the proofs. Why coming to session? Huh? You know already everything other, go and take the rest. Minimum 15 minutes also is not listening session. You too. This person. ఇంక group లో కూడా ఉన్నారు somebody. If you are not interested, don't come to the sessions are better. My BP అన్న controlling. Otherwise meter blasting ఇక్కడ. Controlling. But girls, 1 or 2 girls available. Maximum seriously listening, either 1 or 2 only ante. Boys either so many is there. But next time I observed that one, in front of this class, I'll give the punishments to you. Your izzat gone. Seriously, I'm saying. Yeah. Undali kada? In the height virgam. In dunno. What is the use? 1 spoon of sense not available. When you know already all these things are? No, na already? Sure? 2 questions ready answer? Just 2 questions. No. But you can listen now what I am explaining. Postfix, prefix. Prefix means before, postfix means after. So tag before, tag after. Tag before, tag after. Before one is available, after is also one element is available. So I'm using some HTML tags here. Suppose a regular format, apple, mango, orange. Every tag before a @ symbol is comes. H1 na, H2 na, H3 na, whatever it may be. Tag beginning, yes, wait. I'll first print the @ then you can continue your data. Browser saying that one. Every tag is trying to print their data, but a browser is saying, please wait, first I'll print the @ then you can continue your activities. Now we'll get total 5 @ symbols to see that one. First 2 HTML beginning, body beginning, next 3 heading beginning. I have one paragraph tag, sir. A paragraph also same thing, sir. Even the paragraph inside also will get the same thing. So take a couple of paragraphs. Any of the tags are except the BR tag. Remember that. BR tag not applicable because we can't see the BR tag. Chusara? Are you seen? And one more paragraph I'm going to taking here. So 3 H1s, 2 paragraphs, 1 HTML, 1 body. At the rate is available already in front of the tag. So symbol at the rate symbol, no sir. In this double quotations, what you typed, that one is comes. Within the double quotations, what you typed, that one it will comes. The at the rate symbol, slash symbol, hyphen symbol, 0 na, 1 na, 2 or your name. Every tag before Shiva, 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 it will comes. I need some numbers, sir. You can go for numbering only, no problem. 6, 7, 8. Every tag before 6, 7, 8 number is comes. So within quotations, what you typed, that one is going to display. The symbol, character, or at the rate, or something, whatever it may be. Digits are accepting, numbers are accepting, names are accepting, symbols are accepting, space also accepting. Any data we can type it. Keyboard, what are the regular characters are tag before? No clarity. So browser taking automatically all tags before. I don't want all tags or some tags only I require, sir. Which tags? Write a tag name, ID name, class name, group name, attribute name, something. How many selectors you know previously? Write one of the selector name here. Now we'll get the effective only for the tag only. Space kada. So dollar apples, dollar mango, dollar orange. HTML body paragraphs missing the dollars because filtering applied. If I write ID selector something like this, sir, how many tags they map to this ID selector? For those tags, this one is comes. The ID selector mapping required. So how many HTML tags they mapped with this ID selector? Those all the tags prefix dollar symbol. If I write the class selector something C, sir, how many tags they mapped with this class selector? That all the tags prefix is dollar symbol. You can decide it, anything accepting. Almost 8 models, so 9 models we completed. Anything we can write here. The before operation. Next, after operation, sir. Colon, after. Colon, after. End of the tag. Or after closing of the your tag. That is called as the postfix. The prefix and the postfix. Tag next. So how many closing tags, how many ending tags are available? That all tags after what you write in here, that effect is comes. Again, I'm going to showing some content only. Content. Which content, sir? Take something. Star symbol, sir. So every tag ending star symbol is comes. But what about the HTML and body tags are? Body tag, HTML tag ending end of the page. Kada? So end of the page star symbols are comes. Paragraph ending stars available, heading tags ending stars available, and body tag ending star available, and HTML ending also star available. It's working perfectly. Now all tags I don't want, sir. All tags I don't want, sir. Only HTML tags I required, sir. Right, H1. H1 tags only I required. So H1 tags prefix available, H1 tags postfix available. So beginning of the tag, end of the tag, one common data is going on. Not only data, sir. You can write some margins, paddings, colorings, etc., etc. Any CSS settings we can write here. Curly bracket. Curly bracket means a selector. Select is a group of Properties. Any property you can write, it's not a matter. Next is symbols or names. Instead of that, can I display some images as well? Why not? You can go for the URL, write your image name here. Which image you want to display, that image name right here. But images are not available because it's not my system. So take one of the a small picture from here. Yeah. Summer kada cooling glasses. So save this picture. Where, sir? Anywhere. In E drive, I'm going to saving this one. pick1.png. E drive pick1.png. So comes to the program. E drive pick1.png and close this. Every tag ending, that images comes automatically. How many tags ending available? Every tag ending images comes. Data replaced with image, that's all. So all images I don't want, sir. Apply the H1. H1 prefix, so H1 postfix. And next one is colon selection. The next one is colon selection. So what is the selection, sir? Selection means we are selecting the text kada in our computers for 3-4 lines. Sometimes we are mouse click drag. Data not selected with mouse. First you are clicking left button. If you move that one, sir, the data is going to selecting with which color? Huh? Black. Blue and and blue ana. Both blue అయితే data how it is displaying, background foreground both colors available కదా, blue and black, white, windows. So generally if you select the data in our Windows operating system or regular websites also, data selected in the blue and white color. This is websites also blue and white color, but some websites blue and white color not allowing. They are going to using their own colors, some websites. But a selection color I want to change it, sir. This selection is available. What are the data you selected? The data how you want to present. Write anything what you are interested. Borders, background, radiuses, thicknesses, anything we can apply it. The selected color, it will comes with these. What are the properties you applied here? A selected part of the data comes with these settings. Any CSS settings we can make it, sir. Initially, I'm changing the background color and foreground color. So background, I am taking yellow with background color, and data colors are blue. We are taking here blue, red will take it. So when I select the data, here we need any tag name. Any tag name required here? Not required, because if you leave like this empty, it is affecting to the entire page. That is proper way. So try to select some data. When you select the data, it will comes this one. Regularly the blue and white it will comes. Color I don't want to change it, sir. You can go for any of that one. You can apply the underline or increase the size, or you can change the font style. Which data you selected that should be displayed in the different appearance. A different appearance, what is the programmer interest? This selection. If I write the tag name here, sir, when you select the H1 tags, then only this color is applying. Rest of scenarios, regular blue and white color is there, that one it will continues. But this scenario tag name applying is not correct, so better leave it. Then it is affected to the total page automatically. We'll go for the reverse order. The data selection process. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.